It's Tuesday, the 9th of November, and welcome to our technical analysis review on cryptocurrencies. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Cardano. We're going to run through the different timeframes and see all the technical levels that we expect to impact on the coming days and week. We'll start with the weekly chart. We can see Bitcoin has posted a new all-time high overnight, 68,564. So we've had a really positive week so far. The week we started as of Monday, and the push higher has been quite aggressive. We've taken out the previous all-time high at 67,000, and that obviously eclipses the 64,900 level, which was the high back in April. So very positive from a weekly perspective after the consolidation we saw over the last month. The daily chart will give us a little bit of a clear idea of where we expect support to come in. Trend support over the past month, we expect that to come in. We could even redraw that to around about here. Trend support coming in this week around about 62,000, so good support below. And as I say, 67,000 should provide interim support, but we are seeing the volume stall ever so slightly, so volume dropping off as we're posting these new highs. We have got a crossover, a positive crossover on the MACD, so momentum picking up, so that should lend a hand to this break above the all-time highs, potentially a bit further to go there. Ethereum, we can see that we've also triggered a new all-time high. That comes in at 4,842. We can take a look at the daily chart, and this saw the break of the trend line all the way back in October, and this nice channel move higher. Let's draw a little channel in there to give us a little bit more idea of where we expect resistance to come in. So that this is quite nice. We've got resistance coming in around about 4,920. As I say, this is all-time highs, so always very tricky to trade around these levels. The stalling we saw last week has been taken out, so this reversal corrective formation that we saw only saw a move down to 4,337 before buying came in again. Again, volume dropping off, so be aware of this move being just the start, just before a correction lower. Ripple has opened up higher and has pushed higher, and it's traded up to 129.75 and stalled and reversed ever so slightly over the last few hours. The 4-hour chart can give us a little bit more indication as to what level we've broken before. This spike high all the way back on the 10th of September, we've taken that out, and now that is acting as decent support. 124.40 is support. A break above the 129 to 130 level should open up an extension higher, although we are seeing this slight correction in the momentum. Dip buying would be expected all the way down really to 110. Cardano has had a real hyper move higher, and we've hit the 230 resistance level, which was the spike we got on the 21st of October. Above that, we have resistance coming in at 237, but the main resistance in my eyes would be this 246 level. That has proved to be a all-time high previously all the way back in May, and has acted as resistance as late as the 25th of September before the sell-off. So that for me, it would be the target, 246. Really need to clear that to open up a return to the all-time highs coming in at 310. Be aware of that. Otherwise, we should start to see really support kicking in around about the 214, 206 level. That would be where we expect to find dip buying continue. Thanks for joining me this week. I hope it's been informative, and look forward to seeing you again next week.